Pillars of Islam are called Arkanul Islam, Khadrul Islam, Fi Amanillah, Yusuf Islam. Answer is Arkanul Islam. What is the first month of the Islamic calendar? Shawwal, Muharram, Dhul Qa'dah, Zulhijjah. Answer is Muharram. When do we pray Fajr? At night, before sunrise, afternoon. Answer is before sunrise. What does Prophet Musa's stick turn into? Bird, tiger, camel, snake. Answer is snake. What are the companions of Prophet called? Sahaba, friends, Ansar, none of the above. Answer is Sahaba. How many pillars of Islam are there? 1, 5, 6, 3. Answer is B, 5. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.